yanga ne jopiny. Jatelo no nopuoyo tich ma jotije mag migawo mar lweny mane omiyo rak makamano osetimo. E korka kore Mariru bende noyango ne jopiny ni migawo mare oikore mar konyo kamoro amora ma idwarogie.
We have come to inspect the status of the construction and preparedness of the county to receive this facility, which was constructed through the support from the national government. What we have observed today is that the facility is ready, and we expect that the little few things that are outstanding will be sorted out between us and the county government. However, we still have a small challenge, which we noted, that the works did not include power connection. Though Kenya Power have submitted the transformer, but there's still some electrical works that needs to be done.
We are 95% done on this. That 5% remaining will be done within a month. So you can, the people of Nyamira and indeed Kisii and the entire region can start counting. Within 30 days, we should have the Ministry of Defense and the contractor is going to exit.
Thank them for the beautiful facility that they brought, they built for us as the county government of Nyamira. And also to confirm that yes, within those 30 days, once the two pending issues of water and electricity are done, the county government of Nyamira will take up this facility and run it as a sub-county hospital.
Ramogi en thuolo mwaka oyueyo mokwongo e cheno mar migago kik idhi mabor aduogo bang' thuolo machuok.
Have you made plans for the August school holidays yet? Look no further. View travel